Alright, ground, Skyhawk 2246 Golf, ready to copy clearance to Newport.
2246 Golf, no ground, clear to the Newport Airport, right on vectors direct. Maintain 2000, expect 4,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 120.6, squawk 5314. 46 Golf, I had the release, contact the tower.
Contacting tower, 2246 Golf. North Tower, Skyhawk 2246 Golf, holding short of 35, ready to depart IFR.
2246 Golf, Norwood Tower, thank you sir, departure to left heading 280, maintain 2000, you're cleared for takeoff.
Departure left 280, maintain 2000, cleared for takeoff, 2246 Golf. Skyhawk 2246 Golf, 1,300 for 2,000, heading 280.
Departure, radar contact, Cessna outfit.
1,600.
Contact 46 Golf. I can turn, climb maintain 4,000 and turn left proceed direct to Newport.
Left direct Newport, climb maintain 4,000, 46 Golf.
46 Golf, I do have your IFR cancellation procedure for South copy.
Ready to copy.
46 Golf, support your IFR cancellation on frequency on the ground, climb freeway frequency 127.25.
Roger up. Ready to cancel IFR right now.
46 Golf, IFR cancellation interference, and therefore altitude at discretion.
Altitude at my discretion, 2246 Golf. Skyhawk 2246 Golf, can I change to the CTAF?
November 2246 Golf, Secretary approved, and I believe over the CTAF I wasn't sure if you wanted the 123.05.
I have it, thank you, 2246 Golf.
46 Golf, ready to service Squawk BFR, have a good one.
Squawking BFR, 46 Golf. Newport traffic, Skyhawk 46 Golf, 5 miles to the north, inbound for runway 4 Newport. Newport traffic, Skyhawk 46 Golf, entering the left downwind at a 45 for runway 4 Newport. Newport traffic, Skyhawk 46 Golf, left base, runway 4 Newport.
500.
Newport traffic, Skylark 46 Golf, final runway 4 Newport.